Welcome, welcome, boys. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make the perfect ramen noodle soup. So, take your flavor of choice. Today, we're going to do chicken. I did beef last time. Alright, so we already have the water filled in this little guy. I have no idea how many fluid ounces this thing is, nor do I know how much I filled it to. So I go, about 3/4 of an inch below the lip there. And then we apply our fire. Alright. Now, what I do is I break this way and then this way, so we have 4 squares. And now once we have our 4 squares, we place our squares. 1, 2, 3, and 4, all in our hot water. Well, it's not hot yet, but it will be. Take our flavoring. Open our flavor pack. Kind of spread it around in there. Dump whatever remaining noodle contents we have. Any stragglers in there. Alright, now I have maximum fire. And what we do here is now we just let this thing let the noodles absorb the flavor. And we essentially just kind of bob this around here. Like bobbing for apples, bobbers when you're fishing. Go down and kind of soak into the water. And what we do now is we just sit there and rinse and repeat this until the flavor is nice and dissipated evenly through the water. Our noodles will become soft, and we do this until the water boils. Once the water boils, we're done. And then as it cools, noodles will soften, and then we're able to eat at that point. Once its temperature's cooled down enough that it won't burn the insides of us. But I'll go ahead and time lapse me bobbing this until we reach boiling. Okay, now at this point, starting to get a little bit of bubbles in here, so we're getting close to boiling, and our noodles are nice and soft. But we are not done yet. I like to get mine until it's a pretty substantial boil. So at the moment, we're only rocking like a 175. I like to get her close to 200. Alright, so we don't need this guy anymore. I think he went over here actually. But now that the noodles have softened, they've all separated, so they're all free to roam around on the water and absorb all that good chicken seasoning. Alright, and now at this point, now that we have a nice good boil going, this is when we are done. So we turn her off. Check our temp. We're rocking a 184. Pretty good. And dropping. Alright. So now we just let it sit and cool off till about 120 or so, where you can eat it without it burning. And then we will have the perfect ramen noodle soup. Okay, now we're ready to eat. As you can see, we still got it fairly steamy. Let's cool down a little bit. Noodles nice and soft. So now we're ready to enjoy the properly cooked ramen noodle soup. Oh yeah, that's good stuff. Well, I'm going to go ahead and eat the rest of this, so thanks for watching, guys. Peace.